There are 3 background themes available, including light, dark, and blue mode. The faceplate can easily be unclipped and customized to suit your home or business. Securing your premises is as simple as pressing the arm button on the home screen. Once the exit beeps have stopped, your system is armed. When you return, a keypad should automatically appear, prompting you to disarm the system. Enter the correct code, followed by the tick icon to disarm. The home screen also features quick control of garage doors, gates, and more. Home screen icons are customized via the Home Screen Icon tab found in the Settings menu. Up to 10 icons can be added to the home screen, including a combination of security, panic, and control functions. All control functions can be accessed from the Control tab found in the home screen. Touch one or multiple control functions and the button will change state, indicating that the operation performed successfully. Sensors are also accessed directly from the home screen. This page is a quick overview showing whether the windows and doors have been left open, or if there is any activity within the building. More detail can be accessed by pressing the menu icon. This menu indicates the same window, door, and sensor status, along with the sensor name. From here, you can press any of the sensors to temporarily turn them off for one arm cycle. This is ideal for arming a portion of your home while keeping selected areas disarmed for guests or pets. Custom configuration is accessed via the Settings tab found on the home screen. Enter the correct user admin code followed by the tick icon to confirm. This menu allows you to configure usernames and codes, time and date, sensor names, control names, area names, themes, screensaver settings, brightness, audio and beep volume, home screen functions, schedules for automatic operation, and chime settings. For any system troubles, the Service tab will illuminate red to guide you to the Alerts menu. In this instance, a technician may be required for a battery replacement or to service the system. The Service menu features system history, which can be used to identify when someone has entered your home, as well as what time and which sensor was activated. The Service menu also includes your installer's contact details for system upgrades, routine servicing, and support. Lastly, the screensaver can be turned on from the user settings to continuously play personalized images via an SD card when the touchscreen is idle.